Craving the latest scoop on artificial intelligence? Looking for the best AI websites that offer insightful information, updates, and resources? OpenAI Blog is a treasure trove of the latest advancements, research, and updates from OpenAI, the trailblazers in AI development. This platform offers a wealth of knowledge, making it a must-visit for anyone interested in the future of artificial intelligence. Another intriguing platform is Towards Data Science, a part of the Medium publication. This site is a goldmine for AI and machine learning enthusiasts. With a wide array of articles at your fingertips, it's like having your very own library of AI information. If you're after a more academic perspective, the MIT Technology Review AI section is the place to be. This dedicated AI section keeps you informed with MIT's insights on artificial intelligence. It's like having a direct line to some of the brightest minds in the AI world. For those who prefer their AI news in bite-sized pieces, there's AI Weekly. This curated newsletter by RoboHub provides a weekly dose of AI news, research, and trends. It's like getting a weekly AI digest delivered straight to your inbox. Last but certainly not least, there's the TensorFlow blog. This blog keeps you in the loop with updates, tutorials, and stories about TensorFlow, the popular open-source machine learning library. It's a fantastic resource for those who want to learn and grow with the AI community. So, there you have it. 5 top-tier websites to deepen your understanding of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the exciting developments in the AI field. Remember, knowledge is power, and these websites are your key to unlocking the vast potential of AI. And before you go, a quick reminder. If you found this video useful, show some love by liking, subscribing, and sharing our videos. Until next time.